జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఆండాల్ దివ్య తిరువడిగలే శరణం. In the holy month of Dhanurmasam, today 21st day. O Lord, Sri Krishna Paramatma, the son of the glorious Nandagopa, whose great wealth of cows is the source of the riches of milk, Gosampada and Kshira Sampada. மாத்தாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும்பசுக்கள் ஆத்த படைத்தான் மகனே. Swami, you should wake up and bless us. உலகினில் தோத்தமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துயிலெழாய். You are the essence of the soul for everyone. You are the supreme being who is beyond all limits of understanding and recognition. Please look kindly upon us and bless us with your grace. This Pashuram is a prayer or invocation to Lord Sri Krishna, emphasizing his divine qualities, protection, and supreme role in the universe. We are all your humble servants. Hey Lord Sri Krishna Paramatma, please come to give your anugraham. We are singing your auspicious qualities and auspicious greatness like Kalyana Guna Kirtanam. We stand before your divine Divya Sannidhi. God's grace like Paramatma Anugraham is supreme for everyone. That means there is a way to get that Anugraham. That way it is called the Bhakti Margam or Sharanagati Margam. Andal Divya Tiruvadigalé Sharanam.